Hey there viewers, let's discuss about 12 unknown and interesting facts about NASA. But before this, if you have not subscribed our channel Beaming Wind, do subscribe it. Some of the works of NASA is to conduct scientific research, help scientists to learn more about Earth, to study solar system and beyond. Also, new developments help to improve air travel and other aspects of flight. Various other works are also performed by NASA. Here are 12 unknown and interesting facts about NASA. Do you know that NASA has a program for dealing with life on other planets, and if it should be discovered, known as the Office of Planetary Production? Number 11. A water world is also discovered by NASA, which is about 40 light years away from the Earth and might contain some exotic materials like hot ice and superfluid water. Number 10. NASA also showed movie named Armageddon to new staff and then questioned them about inquiries in that film. At least 168 have been identified. In 1972, NASA and the Department of Health, Education and Welfare founded the Learn Channel TLC. Number 9. A spaceship was designed by NASA, which is capable of using nuclear explosion to deflect on an oncoming asteroid. Also, a NASA scientist invented the Super Soaker Squad gun. Number 8. Currently, NASA has astronauts living and working on the International Space Station. Everywhere in the solar system, NASA's robotic space probes have visited and also in various galactic bodies. With the help of telescope, scientists look at the far reaches of space. In fact, satellites help and provide several data about Earth, which had helped to understand several phenomena and valuable information for better understanding the weather patterns. Number 7. The headquarters of NASA is in Washington, D.C. It has 9 centers, the Jet Propulsion Laboratory and 7 test and research facilities located in several states around the country. Do you know that more than 17,000 people work for NASA and many work with the agency as government contractors? Astronauts are the best known NASA employees. Most of the works in NASA are scientists and engineers. People do several jobs here, like writer, lawyer, teacher, etc. Number 6. A research aircraft used by NASA known as SR-71 or Blackbird for testing high-speed, high-altitude aeronautical research. In 1950s, it was secretly designed at Lockheed's Advanced Development Company, also known as Skunk Works. Number 5. By the end of 1960s, President John F. Kennedy gave NASA a goal of sending man to the moon. On 20th July 1969, the first man walked on the moon as a part of the Apollo 11 mission. During all Apollo missions, around 12 men walked on the moon. The lunar landing of Apollo 13 in 1970 was aborted after the explosion of the oxygen tank. Number 4. A series of satellites named Landsat was launched into space in 1972 with a purpose to click the photograph of Earth's surface from the outer space. Number 3. Do you remember Sputnik 1, which was the first artificial satellite in the world that was launched by Swedes just 1 year before the establishment of NASA? Number 2. Let us tell you that before the establishment of NASA, President Woodrow Wilson started the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics NACA. The main function is to supervise and to direct scientific research and to study problems related to flight. Number 1. In 1958, NASA was established by President Dwight D. Eisenhower. That time, it was established as a civilian independent agency of the United States federal government executive branch. Hey, if you learned something new, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you know any more interesting facts about NASA, do share with us in the comment section below.